Hey guys, just a quick video about Bitcoin price. Here's I almost know what's going to happen. There's lots of variables about the Bitcoin future, but I kind of feel it. I kind of sense where Bitcoin is going. So I'm going to tell you what's my next big prediction, or let's say what I think is going to happen for sure. So I think the price is going to drop around $3,400, and I think this is going to happen in the next 3 months. I don't know when exactly, but somewhere around then. It's possible even to go around 2000, in the range of $2,000, because it's going to be very interesting what's going to happen around Segwit X2 hard fork. So the initial agreement was that the miners will activate Segwit like we activated Segwit, but the second agreement is the hard fork. So my thoughts on this are that there is going to be probably a hard fork or something like a hard fork, and the next thing I think it's going to happen is there is going to be Segwit X2 activation for Bitcoin, for the normal Bitcoin. I don't want to be controversial, but I think something like this can happen. But the main Bitcoin, the old Bitcoin, I think is going to remain, and after this hard fork I think it's going to move to, I don't know, $8,000 before the end of 2017. It's a difficult topic to talk about, but if you look at the chart here of Bitcoin, we saw this big increasing in Bitcoin price, and this is because people are more comfortable. Bitcoin is getting more mainstream, and people are getting more and more trust in Bitcoin. But around this Segwit news, and when Bitcoin Cash was the news about Bitcoin Cash hard fork was announced, Bitcoin dropped a lot, like it went to 1,800, and I think the same chart is going to repeat itself, and we're going to see the same pullback, probably to around 300 and something, and then we'll have this bull run, but it's going to be bigger than before. Probably this time the bull run is going to be around $8,000. I think the same thing that happened here will happen again here, and this is good news, guys, because we can buy cheap Bitcoin. We will be able to buy Bitcoin around $3,000, and on the other hand, it's going to be very risky there, and we're going to ask ourselves, is Bitcoin going to die? Is some hard fork going to replace the Bitcoin? It's going to be very interesting, and as I like to say, only the brave, or better said, only the bold will survive. So when Bitcoin starts dropping, I'm going to buy, and I'm going to buy as much as I can, because people are probably going to lose trust in Bitcoin, It's going to be panic. It's going to start buying Bitcoin Cash or whatever the hard fork is, and Bitcoin is going to drop, and then I'm going to buy, and I'm going to make my future there. So I hope I'm recording this right now. I hope this what I'm thinking is going to happen, and yeah, it's going to be very, very interesting around October and November. So probably my expectation are around October, and the end of October we may see a big, big drop in Bitcoin price. So prepare to buy. I'm personally going to buy, and also prepared for so some very, very rocketing, or how to say it in English, something that is going to move Bitcoin, is going to tickle Bitcoin around a little bit, and this is going to be probably some news around Bitcoin hard fork. We're going to see what's going to happen, but yeah, be prepared to buy cheap, and don't be scared, be bold, because the boat will survive, and it's going to be the greatest in the next financial system. So this was from me. Don't buy Bitcoin right now, because it's probably not going to get a new all-time high. The only possible way for Bitcoin to get a new all-time high is if there is a news around Segwit, but they're still developing its alpha stage, so I doubt that there is going to be some interesting news around Segwit, Lightning Network. Buy Litecoin. Litecoin is a safe investment, as well as Dash. So this was from me. I hope I'll give you some ideas. Stay with me, guys, because I think we can make very, very interesting things in the future. Just give me a chance. I'll prove what I can do. So good luck, and see you in November and December. Bye.